Hi friends, I am Amarpreet Singh Maan, the owner of Maan Matrimony. As we know that it is very difficult to remember all the values of sine, cos, tan, extra. So we made a beautiful model. With the help of this model, we easily find any value of sine, cos, tan, extra. I explain it. First we draw x-axis and y-axis. O is origin. Now take O as a center and radius is equal to 2 unit and draw a circle. Next we mark angle 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree, 90 degree up to 360 degree. At x-axis the nail is shows 1 unit and this shows root 2 means 1.414 and this nail is shows root 3 1.732. Similarly at y-axis 1 unit and root 2 unit, root 3 unit. At the left hand side minus 1 unit, minus 2 unit, minus 3 unit and below y unit minus 1, minus root 2 and minus root 3. Now I explain first as you see the angle shows 30 degree. It means as we know that sine theta is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. Perpendicular hypotenuse, therefore sine theta this shows perpendicular and it is hypotenuse. The length of perpendicular is equal to 1 unit. The length of perpendicular is equal to 1 unit and the length of hypotenuse is equal to 2 unit because this length is equal to the radius of the circle. Therefore, sine theta, sine 30 degree is equal to 1 upon 2. Sine 30 degree is equal to 1 upon 2. Similarly, cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Therefore, base is equal to root 3 unit. Base is equal to root 3 unit and hypotenuse is equal to 2 unit. Therefore, cos 30 is equal to root 3 upon 2. Next, we know that tan theta is equal to perpendicular of base. Therefore, perpendicular is equal to 1 unit and base is equal to root 3 unit. It means tan 30 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. Similarly, we can find the value of secant 30, cosecant 30 and cot 30 with the help of this model. Next, the angle is 45 degree. We mark it by a rubber band. Now this angle is 45 degree. Now we find the value. Now we can find the value of sine 45 degree. Sine 45 degree. Sine perpendicular base. Perpendicular this. This is equal to the. This is equal to same parallel to y-axis and equal to this root 2. It means perpendicular. The value of perpendicular is equal to root 2 unit and the value of hypotenuse is equal to 2. Therefore, sine 45 degree is equal to root 2 upon 2. We cancel it, is equal to 1 upon root 2. Similarly, cos 45 degree is equal to root 2 upon 2. Therefore, cos 45 degree also is equal to 1 upon root 2. And tan 45 degree perpendicular over hypotenuse. Perpendicular is equal to root 2 perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is equal to root 2 and base is equal to root 2. Perpendicular root 2 and base is equal to root 2. Therefore, tan 45 degree 45 degree is equal to root 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. Next, the angle shows 60 degree. The angle is shows 60 degree. First, this angle is shows 60 degree. First, sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular 60 equal to root 3 unit. Therefore, sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 upon 2. Similarly, cos 60 degree base upon hypotenuse. Base is equal to 1 unit and hypotenuse is equal to 2 unit. Therefore, cos 60 degree is equal to 1 upon 2. Next, tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is equal to root 3 unit and base is equal to 1 unit. It means tan 60 degree is equal to root 3 upon 1 is equal to root 3. Similarly, we can find any value of sine, cos, tan, secant, cosecant, cot up to 360 degree with the help of this model. So there is no need to remember any value of trigonometry. With the help of this model, we can find easily the value of sine, cos, tan, secant, cosecant and cot. Thanks.